Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to sort data into ascending or descending order in Microsoft Excel. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we have three columns. On top you see data, so click on it, and then you see filter, so click on it, and then you see drop down. So which column you want to sort, so you can select according to your requirement. So I select this column. Now you see drop down, so click on it, and then you see sort A to Z, and then you see sort Z to A, ascending or descending order. Now select sort A to Z. Now you see ascending order A, C, D, E, S. Now scroll up, again click on it, and then you see sort Z to A. Now select, and then you see descending format. So by using filter you can rearrange data according to your requirement in ascending or descending order in Microsoft Excel. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.